First, set the engine to top dead center of cylinder 1. Remove the cover on the oil pan. Use a special tool to lock the crankshaft. Lock it at top dead center of cylinder 1. Loosen the chain guide bolts. Install the special tool on the camshaft. Remove the middle chain guide. Loosen the central bolt of the camshaft phaser. Release the chain tensioner. Remove the locking tool. Remove the central bolt of the camshaft phaser. Remove the intake and exhaust camshaft sprockets.